So, time check, 10:02. Shift natin is 10:30. And siguro ang travel natin is 10 minutes lang naman. Going to the parking space and then hopefully 10:15 nandun na tayo sa office. So, let's go. Pinagtatrabahuan ko, pero medyo malilate na tayo, kaya let's go, takbo na tayo kasi dito bawal ka tumawid dyan. So may pedestrian doon, kailangan natin tumawid doon. Yung guys, dito merong bus na pwede mong sakyan papasok galing SM Clark, pero yun, mas convenient pa rin kung may motor ka sana, or of course kung may sasakyan. Yun guys, tara, dito tayo. Madami pang mga bagong establishment. Tara, buhay ang mga bayaning puyat. Umaga na, it's our break time, and normally sinasama ko yung mga teammates ko na nag-iossi, kasi though hindi ako nag-iossi, pero I guess that's how one would man colleagues will see area. Daming tao, pero tayo, tatambay lang tayo doon, maglalaro lang ng games and magmumuni-muni sa mga ginawa natin mga trabaho today in Angeles Park. So yun, mamaya tapos na yung shift natin. It's my last break na din kasi. So let's go. This is one of my favorite floor dito sa Tasas Angeles, kasi ayan, you can do video game, pwede kang mag-gitara. So ako na medyo marunong mag-gitara. You can play basketball, yung table tennis, and something that I enjoy here, kasi merong recreational na you can do. Alright, yan, kagaya lang. Pwede natin yung plan. So, tapos na yung shift natin for today, and yeah, from night shift ngayon, uwi na tayo. And of course, this is a parking space. By the way, free lang yung parking space dito, which is nice. And yan, ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. And yun, ganun ka simple. Work today with a good shift. And yun, uwi na lang tayo. It's actually a nice experience to stay here in Angeles, kasi yung vibes is parang nasa probinsya ka lang, at the same time parang nasa Singapore. Ganun yung feeling ko every time that I go home. And since of course less population versus Manila, mas masarap and mas enjoy yung uwi, kasi mas konting pollution, noise pollution and all that. So yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and hope to see you on my next vlog. God bless.